Hello guys, welcome back to VBA tutorials. In this video we will discuss about variables in Excel VBA, data types in the VBA, the types of data types, the declaration of variables, and an example problem for the declarations. So what is a variable? Actually, variables are just like mailboxes in post office. They store the data which we give, just like the mailboxes, and these are the areas allocated by computer memory to store data. And just as mailbox, each of these variables should be given a name. There are few rules in naming the variables in Excel VBA. Some of them are: a period is not permitted, that is, we cannot use a full stop, and uh, spacing is not allowed, and mm, and it should not begin with a number, should not exceed 40 characters. So I will show you some of the examples of valid and invalid variable names when we declare a function. So as you can see, this is a valid name, my underscore bus. Only underscore is a valid uh, is valid, whereas other symbols like and other symbols like apostrophe, percentage, or those are not valid. So my underscore bus is valid name, whereas my dot bus is invalid name. This year is a valid name. One new bag beginning with a number is an invalid name. Similarly, this is a valid name, whereas he and this symbol and symbol is invalid, so this is an invalid name. Coming to this group 88, this is a valid name, whereas coming to this student space ID, here we have given a space, so spacing is not allowed, that is why this is an invalid name in this way. Coming to data types, we have two types of data types: numeric data types and non-numeric data types. Data types are just when we declare a variable, what the size of the variable should be. We just will let the program know what the size of the variable will be. So we have numeric types as byte, integer, long, single, double, currency, decimal. The storage used by these types are provided over here, and the range of values can be used are here. I'll be uploading this Excel file to my Google page, so no need to worry. And coming to non-numeric data types, we have string. It contains characters like A, B, C, D, and we have date, boolean, object, variant. So in this type, we have two types of data types like numeric and non-numeric. Coming to the declaration of variables, we can declare variables in two ways. The first one is implicit declaration. In implicit declaration, we do not use any kind of command or function to declare a variable. We just declare it in a simple manner. For example, my name equals to civil body. Similarly, my age equals to 22. If we declare in this way, VBA considers my name and my age as variables, and considers civil body and 22 as data, and stores the data. So this is in this way we can do implicit declaration. Coming to explicit declaration, the syntax of explicit declaration is like this: following dim space, variable name whatever variable name might be suppose let me say dim matrix EA or dim uh, phone size as integer. So dim in the sense dimension is a command used in always used in VBA. So suppose I want to know my font size, to declare my font size, so I would like to declare it as an integer. So in integer we have range of values from this value to this value in this way, and if we have size in decimal places, so we can use double or single where we can have decimal places. Now let us see an example of declaration. Okay, for whenever you do VBA, almost 99.99% out of 100 we use explicit declaration. So let us write a program of explicit declaration. I will go to developer and select Visual Basic. Here my new window opens. In here I will select sheet 2. The sheet 2 default considers as workbook sheet 2. Now if I am to select sheet 3 and close this one and again open Visual Basic, then it will open in sheet 3. So in this way I will select, double click the sheet 3. Now I will write the program. So in order for any user, when he opens this VBA editor, in order to know him what kind of program is this, we need to let him know. So there is a command called subroutine which does not return any value to the program. Sub, let's call it a biodata. Sub biodata. So this is program regarding biodata. Okay, you select enter, then it automatically comes end sub, so that it ends it. Okay, now I will declare my name as string. You can see string has already come up. Then I will declare dim birthday as date. Okay, now moving on, I will give my name, do not include spaces, my name equals to, we need to put these symbols, civil body. And coming to birthday equals to August 1980. Okay, so in this way, after declaration, we need to let the program know to print these values in Excel sheet 3. and in which columns and which rows we need to print them. So for the program, in order to know, we'll use the function range give two brackets and the symbol, let me say a1 equals to my name. Similarly, range a2 equals to birthday. Okay, after doing that, select enter. So now we have written our program on biodata that my name is Civil Body and my birthday is 1st August 1980. So in order for this to print, we need to run the program. Select run sub. So you can see it has already run it. Now as you can see, in A1 it has printed Civil Body, and in A2 it has printed the date on which I was born. So in this way we can write VBA programs. This is the basic program. In the next class we'll go to some advanced levels. We'll come to know some more new things. For more videos, watch on civilbody.com. Thank you for watching this video.